Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to shorten your jeans while keeping the original hem. Here you can see the effect before and after hemming, and this method makes it super easy and fast, so let's get started. First, put on your jeans and fold up the bottom until you reach the length you want. Just slightly pin the jeans below the original hemline. Once you have decided on the desired length, measure the width between the folded hem and the below the old hemline. Remove the pins all around. Now fold the hem again, measuring the width across the entire hem and pinning it all around. Make sure that the seams of the pants align with those of the original hem. If you have a zipper foot like this one, I would recommend using it. If not, you can use the regular foot. Now, place your jean cuff into your machine and align the needle close to the original hem. Make a straight stitch as close as you can to the original hemline all around. Now flip it inside out and give the hem a final press all around, ensure it stays nice and flat. If there is excess fabric, you can trim 1 to 2 cm below the stitch made in the previous step and finish the edge with a zigzag stitch or overlock. The last step is to prevent the folded fabric from flipping out when you wear the jeans. So you can sew the side seams together on the right sides close to the seam or hand stitch the seams from the inside. I chose the second option for my jeans, so take the seam of folded hem and the seam of the pants and hand stitch them together. And here's the final result. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, so don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Happy sewing!